Hi guys, namaste. Hope yesterday we were discussing final accounts of sole proprietors. In the last class, I gave you two problems as homework and I discussed the answer as well. Hopefully, you have done those problems. Might be there is no problem in that. Yeah. So let's directly dive into today's problem, that is illustration number 10. If again this type of question comes into examination, then it may come for around 12 to 15 marks. Yes. So similar problem may come, and if it comes, it is coming for at least 12 to 15 marks. There's one more newly problem which has come. I am hoping mostly in the next May attempt, वो आने का chance ज़्यादा है. We'll discuss that next problem. I have more matlab expectations. I am expecting that next problem, what we will do later, may come in the examination. Okay, that's just my guess. But ultimately, it is ICAI. Chalo. The following is the schedule of balances on 31st March 20 extracted from Sri Gavaskar. Change the date, it is 22, not 20, it is 22. Change the date, that's what I thought. It is 22. Okay. So we are given with so many details. See? Yes. So we are given with the following particulars and we are given with the adjustments also. Adjustments, what you have to do while reading the problem itself, solve half the problem. So adjustments read twice, because while solving you should have in mind what adjustments are given to us. Okay. So let us read the question. Let us, while reading itself, classify what items are related with the balance sheet, what items are related with trading and P&L. See, cash in hand goes to balance sheet, bank balance sheet, debtors balance sheet, opening stock, trading account. Trading, we'll write it here so that it still makes us easy. Balance sheet, balance sheet, balance sheet, balance sheet, balance sheet. Correct? Loan from Vishwanath, also balance sheet. PDD, it we have to take it in P&L. Yes. Then this is trading, 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 P&L. Rent for go down again, P&L. Interest on loan from Vishwanath. Yes, you need to classify. Interest on loan is again P&L item. Rates is P&L item. Discount allowed P&L. Discount received P&L. Freight on purchase, freight is on purchase and hence trading. Carriage is outwards and P&L. This is balance sheet drawings. Yes, capital में deduct होगा. Printing and stationery P&L, electricity P&L, insurance premium P&L, P&L, bad debts. Bad debts, actually we have to form part of PDD, so let's clarify that particular way. This is P&L, motor car expense P&L, capital account, balance sheet. ठीक है? I have classified. Next, let's read the adjustments. I say that read the adjustments at least twice, so you remember while solving the problem itself ki, oh, there was an adjustment here. Okay. So prepare trading and P&L account for the year ended 31st March 22, the balance sheet as on the particular date after making the provision for following. See, what are the adjustments given to us? Depreciate building by 5%, furniture by 10%, one steel. If I see here, I find some rectification also. One steel table purchased during the year for 40,000 was sold for the same price. Okay. But the sale proceeds were wrongly credited to sales account. Can you now answer me here? What is the mistake they have done? मतलब whenever a table is sold, मतलब जब asset purchase करते हैं, I always say this, whenever an asset is purchased, it should come in the name of asset only and should not go to purchase account. In the same way, when an asset is sold, when the asset is sold, it should come in the name of asset only, not in the sales account. Correct? So what has happened here? When the asset was sold, it was credited to sales account, which is wrong. So I have to rectify this entry. So what will be the rectification entry for this particular one? Rectification entry क्या हो जाएगा? Okay, let me write it here. So first rectification entry, what I can guess is the wrongly credited to sales. That's wrong. It should not go to sales, but what should be credited? So rectification entry will be sales to asset account. Yes, the price of the table was 14,000. So this is my first rectification. Second, let us go to the second one. Steel table hai na, so it is coming under asset is nothing but here. What is the asset here? Furniture. So let me write furniture because it is coming under the heading of furniture. See, B point के अंदर this particular adjustment was given. Next if I move on, office equipment you have to depreciate by 15%, but there was a purchase of typewriter during the year for 40,000 wrongly debited to purchase account. Typewriter purchased मतलब asset purchase किया तो it should come in the name of asset only, correct? But it has come in the name of what? Wrongly debited to which account? Purchase account. It is coming under which heading? Office equipment. So what will be the entry? Office equipment, that is typewriter or office equipment, one and the same. Two, what is wrongly done? Purchases. This rectification entries, if you are confused, go and refer to our rectification of entries. Okay, where we have in detailedly discussed this, how this particular entry comes. Okay, so now by now you should be very through with these entries. Chalo, clear hai? See, half the problem we are solving now only. It means in these rectification entries which accounts are affected na, जब हम वो account बनाएंगे, so we have to consider these particular thing. मतलब sales account, furniture account, office equipment, purchase account, मतलब these accounts will be affected. Okay, so the adjustment must be done in those accounts. Motor car by 20%. Value at the close is 4,40,000. मतलब it is closing stock, which is forming part of what? Trading account. 2 months rent is outstanding. There is outstanding rent, we have to remember. Interest on loan from Vishwanath is payable at 12%. The loan was taken on 1/5/22. PDD is to be maintained at 5%. Insurance premium includes 40,000 paid towards proprietor's life insurance. So while there is an adjustment for rent, for interest on loan, for PDD, and then there is an adjustment with related to insurance premium. Okay, so when we have kept all those things in mind, next we can proceed with our problem. So we are supposed to prepare final accounts in the books of Mr. Vishwanath. So let us put the heading in the books of measures Gavaskar Vishwanath, trading, P&L and profit and loss account. So I think trading account, shall I prepare it here? Ajayana. Let me prepare. In the big 10th one, solution, put the heading trading account. First put the heading in the books of measures Gavaskar. It was given na Gavaskar Vishwanath. So trading account for year ended. This is just for your understanding, you need not write. Or you can write it in the working note but not here. हाँ, main part of the problem में नहीं आएगा. Make one inner column because there are adjustments what we have seen. Particulars amount, particulars amount. हो गया? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बना लिया. Okay, so let us start. Our trading account starts with what? 2 opening stock. No adjustment was there in the opening stock, correct? Yes, but I saw that trading account, my opening stock, how much? This is 6,20,000. 6,20,000. Next item what I write is what? Purchase, correct? So two purchases. Purchases का value given how much? So you'll find it trading account करके लिखा है हमने. Purchases 14 lakhs. There is also returns if I see, correct? 14 lakhs. I'll write it in the inner column. But there is if I see this particular entry, there is purchases है ना? Purchases है कि नहीं है? So that adjustment must be done in the purchases value first. See, purchases is on which side? Purchases have debit balance, but here purchase is coming on credit side. Purchases have debit balance. Debit हुआ तो add, credit हुआ तो less. So here less. What I have to write? Less typewriter purchased. Typewriter purchased. What was the value of typewriter purchased? Typewriter. Find in the adjustments, typewriter was purchased for how much? 40,000. Correct? 40,000. There is also returns, so less purchase returns. I think I saw it as 26,000. Hopefully I'm correct. Minus karo 14 lakhs minus 40 minus 26. So mostly you're getting 13 lakh 34,000. Correct? So yes, so that is why while reading the adjustment itself, you should be very careful that there is an adjustment with regards to office equipment to purchase account. So when you know that there is an adjustment with related to purchases, then you can do this particular adjustment. ठीक है? तो हमने इसीलिए this is the reason why I have kept it here while preparing trading account. ठीक है? So one effect is there on purchases, but another effect is there on what? Office equipment. Office equipment will come there while calculating depreciation, while taking up in the balance sheet, it will come. So at that point of view, you have to remember that at that point of time, we should be able to recall that there is an adjustment. Chalo, ho gaya. Next item, I think while reading, I read freight inwards with trading account ka, correct? Yes, freight on purchases was there. So it is how much? 12,000. So let us write the direct expense next to freight on purchases. So it is 12,000. Write in full, don't write like this. P लिखा है ना मैंने, to freight on purchases, write in full. ठीक है? Rest I don't remember any other expense. Next is by sales. So sales, go to the sales, find out the value of sales. I can see it as 23 lakhs. There is a return as well, but I can see that there is a rectification adjustment also. Sales have which balance? Sales have credit balance, but it has come on which side here? It has come on the debit side. Matlab this is also less. Less sale of furniture. Sale of furniture. Okay. So next 14,000 less karo. Less there is sales return also. Less returns. So if I can see the sales returns, I can see it as 42,000. So deduct this 42,000. What will be the value? 22 lakh 44,000. Check. 23 lakh minus 14,000 minus 42. 22 lakh 44,000. Yeah. Chalo, next item what we write in the trading account is by closing stock. Correct? Closing stock was given in the adjustment as 4 lakh 40 something was given. Yes, 4 lakh 40. I'm right. So closing stock is given as how much? 4 lakh 40,000. Now our trading account is almost complete. Just do the totals, find out the difference, write the gross profit. So are you clear of how should we take the adjustments into consideration? Okay? Are we clear here? Yes? Okay? Yeah. Find out gross profit, do the total, I think it is 26 lakh 84,000. 26 lakh 84,000. Gross profit will come as 7 lakh 18,000. Minus kiya? Ledger balanced? Yes. So this is our gross profit. Now next let's move on to profit and loss account. Have you written? If yes, then I can quickly move on to the P&L account. Put the heading profit and loss account for year ended. Ma'am, can we do one? Yes, you can continue. Put the heading trading P&L account and then continue. That's also fine. Make an inner column because there are lots of adjustments. If we are doing it here, then we need inner column. If we are doing it outside, then we may not need it. Particulars amount, particulars details amount. Yes. So let us start. First, we will write it as by gross profit brought down. How much gross profit did we get? I remember it as 7,18,000. है ना? So let us start with one by one adjustments. Okay. So let's follow this. So here we have no P&L item. Leave this. So I can first see the item is PDD. So PDD, it is given here as 30, but in the adjustments we have read something also. You know? So let me leave 2 pages and then let me do working note. Okay. Working note. Hopefully I have left 2. Yeah. Yes, because PNL is more mostly space sufficient nahi hoga. So working note one by one I'll do. First is PDD account. So calculation of PDD. Write in full provision for doubtful debts. Okay. So PDD ka calculation, we will put a ledger provision for doubtful debts. You can either put a ledger, or if so much adjustment is not there, you can do it there only. So whatever provision is given to you, okay, I'll show you how to do both the ways. Ledger banao. You already know how to do PDD ka calculation, correct? Particulars amount. PDD is a liability. It always have which balance? It is always on credit side, correct? So by balance brought down. If opening balance comes this month, this side means closing balance comes this side. Here, whatever bad debts have happened, we have to write it here. Bad debts were there when we read it, correct? And by P&L account. This we want so that we can write it there. Now, ma'am, what is given us in the trial balance? This particular PDD, which I can see it as 30,000, correct? 30,000. This is our opening balance. So this is our what? Opening balance. Closing balance ka se aayega? Bad debts I can see. Bad debts is how much here? I can see it as 20,000. Correct? So let me write bad debts 20,000. Closing balance from where should I get? Adjustment में था, है ना? What was given in the adjustment? Provision is to be maintained at 5% of debtors. Correct? Provision is to be maintained at 5% of debtors. So now what we have to do? Find out the debtors balances. There is no adjustment in the debtors as per the adjustment what I have seen. So let us find out the debtors. Debtors, it's not here. No, it is here. Debtors balance is 8,60,000. What I can see here. So what should be the closing balance? 8,60,000 into 5% should be maintained. So 5% karo, kitna hua? Then make the total, find out the balance. 8,60,000 into 5%. I think it is coming down to 43. So balancing figure is how much? 33,000. Okay. So now we will write it in our problem. So go to the main problem. Write there PDD is how much? 2. 2 PD, right? Provision for doubtful debts completely, right? Working note number 1. We got it as how much? 33,000 by referring to what? Our working note. So you have to mention the working note number as well. Okay. First item was PDD. I have taken it. Next, let's move on. Next, let's move on. After PDD, I can see it is salaries. So let's write down salaries. 2 salaries. What is the salaries ka particular amount? Amount is 1,10,000. No adjustment was there in the salaries when we read it, correct? Next is rent on go down, है ना? Rent for go down. But do you remember when we read there was some adjustment with respect to the go down? What I remember as 2 months rent go down was outstanding, है ना? So ऐसे when you read particular item, you should realize that there is some adjustment here. Only then the problem will become easy. 2 months rent is outstanding. So I now let us again go to the working note number 2, rent for the go down. Rent for go down. So if I can do it there also, if not, I can do it here. In the trial balance, the rent is given as 55,000 and they are telling in the adjustment that 2 months rent is outstanding. Matlab, if 2 months rent is outstanding, trial balance mein how many months ka rent is there? 10 months rent, correct? So 10 months rent is equal to 55,000. So 2 months ka rent kitna hoga? 2 months rent will be how much? It means 5,500 is per month current, hai na? So it is 11,000. How did I get that? 5,500 into 2. Okay. So total rent is how much? 66,000. How do I write it? How do I write it? So this is working note number 2 hai na apna? So see, look, how do we write this? First, what is given, write it here. Next, add outstanding rent, that is 2 months rent outstanding, 11,000, then the total goes to 66,000. Are you clear? This is how you will write it. Okay. Next, after rent, what we have? Yes, all the adjustment. Interest on loan from Vishwanath. Again, there is an adjustment on loan. So 2 interest on loan, write working note number 3. So again, go to the working note part. I think I'll do it here. Working note, interest on loan from Vishwanath. So first let us find out what is the loan amount. On that we have to give the interest. So what is the loan amount? Loan from Vishwanath, as I can see here, is how much? 3 lakhs. Correct? So loan amount is how much? 3 lakhs. In the beginning, first line mein hai na ye wala? Yes, loan from Vishwanath, how much? 3 lakhs. Now let us read the adjustment. What is given in the adjustment? In the adjustment, it is given as interest is payable at 12%. The loan was taken on 1/5. 1/5 matlab we are following which year here? We are following financial year. You have to refer the question. 31st March hum likh rahe na. So yes, loan is taken on for how many months we have to calculate the interest? Interest on loan is equal to, we have to calculate interest for how many months? From May. From 1st May to March. So what we are leaving, only April we are leaving. So I think it is 11 months ka interest. So how do I calculate 3 lakhs into 12% into 11 divided by 12? 11 months ka interest hai na? So interest on loan is coming to how much? Do this calculation. 12, 12, 11, 3s are 33,000. Correct? But are we given any interest on loan in the trial balance? Yes. Interest on loan is given how much? Interest on loan is given as 27,000. है ना? Now 27,000. But according to our calculation, interest for that year must be how much? 33. Because if loan is taken on 1st May, the loan amount is 3 lakhs. Interest rate is 12%. So interest on loan must have been 33. But in trial balance, it is given as how much? 27. Matlab how much? So less. What is the interest paid as per trial balance? Interest paid as per trial balance is 27,000. So how much is still payable? Still payable is how much? 6,000. So outstanding interest or interest still payable. I can write anything. So now again go back to here, 27,000 given, add outstanding interest, that is 6,000, and the total is how much on the outside? 33. Hope you are clear. Correct? समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, थोड़ा सा एक दो बार प्रैक्टिस करोगे you will easily get it, no problem. ठीक है? Next is rates and taxes. 21. 2. Rates and taxes, 21,000. Next, discount allowed to debtors, 24,000. To discount, 24,000. Next is discount received from creditors. So it is received income side mein by discount received from creditors, 16,000. Next, we have taken freight ho gaya. Carriage outwards, 20. ड्राइंग्स तो नहीं आएगा. प्रिंटिंग एंड स्टेशनरी 18. राइट इन फुल. 2. electricity charges, 22. No adjustments. Next, insurance premium. From what I read, there is an adjustment here. Correct? Insurance premium. Write working note number 4. Go to the working note part. Number 4 working note. Insurance premium. Put the heading. So given premium as per trial balance is how much? As per trial balance, given premium is 55,000. Okay, first I'm writing what is given to me. Then let me read the adjustment what is given. Okay, so adjustment may if I see. See, if we see at the adjustment part, insurance premium includes 40,000 paid towards proprietor's life insurance policy. Proprietor, anything for proprietor is what? Anything for proprietor is drawings. Drawings are personal expense. This should not come in the P&L account. Correct? Personal expenses should not come in P&L. So less paid towards proprietor's life insurance. Paid towards. Now remember, this is drawings. Anything paid for proprietor is what? Anything paid for proprietor is drawings. Matlab, you should remember while doing balance sheet, this is drawings. Drawings may a particular thing will be added. Yes, because drawings are 40,000. So you should remember. if 40,000 was paid towards proprietor's life, then it is remaining balance is 15,000. चलो अभी let us read the adjustment. complete नहीं हुआ. The balance of insurance charges cover the period from 1/4 to 30th June 22. We want in our P&L account का rule क्या है? Only business expense must be taken. Yes, we did that. Next, only for this year must be taken. Next year, previous year must not be considered. So, but here from 1/4 to 30th June, matlab this is not for 12 months, na? This is for extra 2 months, 12, 3 months, I guess. April, May, June. Extra 3 months ka rent is there. Matlab, totally this 15,000 is for how many months? 15 months premium is equal to 15,000. I want for 12 months का premium. So 12 months का premium कितना हो जाता है? 12 months का premium will be 12,000. Correct? So how much is excess? How much is excess? 3,000 is paid prepaid insurance. है ना? मतलब नेक्स्ट ईयर का अभी पे कर दिया. So this is called as what? Prepaid insurance. Correct? So let us go and write it there. So the given amount here is how much? 15,000, I'll write. Less prepaid insurance. Yes, if you want, you can write like that also. If 50 लिख less proprietors 40 and then less prepaid insurance 3. So for this year, how much it is? 12,000. Only 3,000 is for the next year. Clear है? मतलब see, we want from 1st April to 31st March only, but given thing is from 1st April to 30th June. We don't want that. So extra 3 months, which is after this particular financial year, आप उसको निकाल. So given amount is for 15 months. I want only for 12 months. समझ में आया? Yes. Next, let us go to the next adjustment. Bank charges, write down. No, general office expense है 30,000 to general office expense 30,000. Bad debts I need not write because I have already considered bad debts. Where I have considered while preparing PDD account. PDD account mein, so if the bad debts is coming in trial balance and while preparing PDD only, you should consider it. You need not do it again. Next is bank charges. So 2 bank charges. How much is the bank charges? Bank charges is 16. Next is motor car expense 2. Motor car expense. Write in full. Okay. Done. Are we done here? Always remember to check. Now we are done with all the items which were given to us in the trial balance. Now next, let's come to the adjustment and check if we have considered all the adjustments or not. If I see, the first thing is what? Depreciate. Have we considered depreciation? No. So write down depreciation, write working note number 5. Okay. Chalo, let's go to the depreciation part. Calculation of depreciation. Put the heading calculation of value of asset and depreciation. Because there are adjustments, correct? If you remember. So what are the assets they are having? Number 1, building. Building by they are telling 5%. What is the value of building given to us in the question? So building, if I see, it is given for 1,60,000. Building 6 lakhs. So building given is 6 lakhs. At 5%. Correct? So it is coming to 30,000. Next, what is said in the question? Next is furniture. If you remember, there was an adjustment of what? Furniture ka given value in the trial balance, I can see it as 2,14,000. But if you remember this particular adjustment, one steel table was sold wrongly credited. Let's look for the journal what we have passed. If you remember, well and good. If not, look for the journal what we have passed. What we have passed while preparing our trading account. See here, furniture. Can you see sale to furniture? Furniture is having debit balance, but here furniture is on which side? Credit side. मतलब जो भी balance of furniture है उसमें से what you have to do, you have to deduct that 14,000. Now this is at what percent? This is at 10%, correct? So at 10%, 2 lakh 14 minus 14 is nothing but 2 lakhs. So next, third one is office equipment, I suppose. Purchase of typewriter. Again, there was an adjustment. Go to that particular journal, find it out. Office equipment is on which side? Given value is 1 lakh 60 in the trial balance. But if I see office equipment is on the debit side, debit matlab add ho jayega. According those two journal, you write it in the working note. It will help you out. ठीक है, आप वर्किंग नोट में जरूर लिखना उसको. दोज टू जर्नल विच वी हैव रिटन, which I have written before trading account. Okay, so office equipment at 15%. So 15%, 2 lakhs. Again, it comes down to 30. Next is motor car. Motor car at what? Motor car of 2 lakhs at 20%. So total karo 70, 90, 1 lakh 20. Go to the main problem part, write down 1 lakh 20 depreciation. So value of depreciation is how much? 1 lakh 20. Now do the total. I think we have taken all. अच्छा एक बार और adjustments देख लेते हैं. We have taken closing stock, rent का adjustment we have done, interest का adjustment we have done, PDD we have done, insurance we have done. So yes, now quickly total this up, find out the net profit. Total this up, total this up. So how much? टोटल करो, माइनस करो, फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू एंड टेल मी. केयरफुली टोटल करना, एक बार में आंसर आ जाना चाहिए. ओनली एट वंस यू शुड बी एबल टू गेट द राइट आंसर. Total is 7 lakh 34. Net profit, how much we are getting? According to us, we should get 1 lakh 73. Find out. ठीक है? 7 lakh 34,000. Okay. So net profit has come down to how much? 1 lakh 73,000. Next, come to the one more part. सी एग्जाम में कैसे लिखना? फर्स्ट ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, पेंडल अकाउंट, देन बैलेंस शीट. इतना स्पेस मस्ट बी देयर. आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू शुड प्रिपेयर द वर्किंग नोट्स. वर्किंग नोट्स बीच बीच में नहीं आना चाहिए. ओके, इट शुड नॉट बी इन बिटवीन. You should write working notes in the last only. Leave the space according to guess the space, leave the space, and then do the Shall we start with the balance sheet? If we are done with the format, first item what I have to write, capital account. So what is the capital we have in the question? Capital I can see as 16 lakh 20, correct? So 16 lakh 20. Write it in the inner column because we have adjustments. Less add because profit है ना, add net profit. Profit came down how much? 1,73,000. Are we given drawings? Drawings. When I tell the word drawings, you should remember one adjustment where I have highlighted. Anna? Yes, drawings we can find it here. Drawings is how much? 1,20,000. So less drawings. Actually 1,20,000. But if you remember, there was an insurance premium paid towards proprietor. Anna? So that is also coming under what? Drawings. So insurance premium was of how much? 40,000. So deduct that also. Yeah, the drawings come on 1,60,000 you deduct, or you can write it like this also and you can deduct. So anyway, you can write, but you have to write. Consider that particular thing. So now do this. Minus karo ye do. $16,33,000. Yes. Okay. Next, let us find out the next items. Here there are no balance sheet items. This was the one we have taken. Capital was the one we have taken. So all the items we have in the loan from Vishwanath is there. Let me write it. Loan from Vishwanath 3 lakh. Loan from Vishwanath 3 lakh. Next, I've considered the loan also. Next, if I come here, balance sheet, sundry creditors we have how much? 4,30,000. Only that thing I can see on the credit side. Sundry creditors 2,30,000. है ना? 4,30,000, not 2 lakh. 4,30,000. Clear? Yes. Next, all I can see are assets. So let me write assets one by one. Building. What is the value of building we have? Building we have as 6 lakhs, correct? Less depreciation 30,000. So it is how much? 5,70,000. Next is furniture. Let me write the adjusted value by referring to the working note. It is not 2,14,000, it is 2 lakhs. Why? Because we have, you should go and refer to our depreciation working note where you will find that. So value of furniture is not 2,14,000, but it is how much? 2 lakhs. Are we clear? Yes, same for the office equipment as well. The value is not 1,60,000, but it is again how much? 2 lakhs. Furniture is 10%, no? This I have taken it as wrong. Furniture is 10%. That's what I was confused. Office equipment, you can refer to the working note. So this is 30. Next is motor car. Motor car value is 2 lakhs given. Depreciation is 40,000. Correct? Yes, I have taken all the assets. Now let me write next is closing stock. If you remember, closing stock ka value was 4,40,000, correct? Next I can write is debtors, sundry debtors. So given value I remember as 8 lakh 30 was given, less PDD. What is the closing balance of PDD from the working note? To balance carried down. So always हम balance sheet में क्या deduct करते हैं? Always you have to remember we have to deduct to balance carried down. Our working note में what we have done under the heading to balance carried down, that we have to deduct. So I'll show you this one, this particular thing always. So closing balance of PDD is how much? 43. So deduct same from what? Deduct the same from PDD debtors. So 8 lakh 30 minus 43 karo. I think it's coming as 8 lakh 17, correct? Now cash in hand, cash at bank, right? Both given balances 26,000, 14,000. Let me once just check. Have I considered cash in hand, cash at bank? 14 and 26. Huh? I have written ulta palta. 14,000, 26,000. I've taken debtors, stock, furniture, office equipment, building, motor car. Yes, we have considered everything. But now there are many items which are needed to be considered. What are those items? Go to P&L account, because I have written in such a manner that we can easily find out what are the items that must be written in P&L account. So what are those items? Very easily I'll let you know. See here, if we can see, there are some outstanding prepaids, correct? See, look here, have a look. So PDD, there is an adjustment, correct? Chodo. PDD already taken, considered, less PDD I have written. Outstanding rent number 1, outstanding interest number 2, prepaid insurance number 3. Again, is there anything else? No. These 3 adjustments must be considered where? In balance sheet. So prepaid to asset, prepaid will come on this side, prepaid insurance. So prepaid insurance was how much? 3,000. There were outstanding expenses. Na? I'll put the heading as outstanding expenses or expenses payable. There was go down rent of 2 months. So go down rent was 11,000. Interest on loan from Vishwanath. Either you can add it here only with Vishwanath loan, or you can write it separately also. So 6,000 was outstanding. So 17,000. Now do the total of the balance sheet. Hopefully it tallies. Do the total. Done? Yes, total is coming how much? 23 lakh 80,000. Yeah. So yes, if you do all these things, you're getting 15 marks. Working notes chahiye, or everything must be written in full. There should be a neat presentation. So definitely you're getting how much? 15 marks. 15 marks ka problem. So all the working notes must be present. P&L account, trading account, everything must be done. So this is how you do a 15 mark or 12 mark ka problem. Clear? So what, let us go to the next one. Matlab, the problem which I'm expecting that it may come in the examination because it's newly added only for that purpose and no other reason. Okay. Matlab, in the earlier books it was not done, now it has been added, so I'm guessing it. Chal. Now come to the next one, that is 11th one solution. Clear है? कुछ भी doubt है? So go through, revise again and again. If not, you can always contact me. Illustration 11. The following are the balances extracted from the books of measures Maple states. Let's quickly go through plant and machinery, furniture, bank OD. Yes, you can write here also the items which are related to trading, which are related to P and L, so that we may not waste our time again and again. So you may clearly write these are all balance sheet. Balance sheet के items छोड़ दो. So purchases is trading, 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 PDD, P and L. This is also discount on debtors come for the first time. P and L, debtors, balance sheet, balance sheet. It is again adjusted with PDD. Bad debts recovered has come. So again PDD, salaries P and L, payable outstanding है P and L में भी आएगा and prepaid rent. Oh, so this is P and L also and balance sheet also. Rent P and L, inwards trading, outwards P and L, sales P and L, advertisement P and L, balance sheet, P and L, interest paid on loan P and L. Okay, let's see the adjustments what we are given. Okay, purchases include sales return of 2575 and sales include purchase return of 1725. See, they have made an error. Chalo, let us pass this first rectification entry. Purchases include sales return of 2575. So what mistake they have done? In the purchases, they have included which account? Sales return account. Sales return have which balance? Sales return also have debit balance. But it should not come in purchases, na? Sales returns must come. So sales return account debit. That is there. But it has come in purchases. That should not have come. So two purchases. Amount is how much? 2575. So this is the rectification entry I'm passing. समझ में आ गया? Sales return included in purchases. So that's why we are removing it. Next, sales include purchase return of 1725. So what is it? Purchase return आना चाहिए तो purchase return. So sales account, keep it on the to purchase return account, that is 1575. Now while preparing trading account, you should remember all these are affected, all the 4 lectures. Okay, so first entry, we have to be careful. Just a second. ठीक है? Okay, next, goods withdrawn. Next, let us see the next adjustment what is given. Goods withdrawn by XYZ for own consumptions included in purchases. XYZ proprietor, because we are, if we see XYZ, who is XYZ? It's not proprietor, है ना? He is proprietor of measures Maple states. So goods withdrawn for own consumption. By this word we can make it out that it is for drawings and included where? In purchases. So goods withdrawn, what is the adjustment entry? Drawings account. It should go to the drawings and not to the purchases. So rectification entry is drawings to purchase. You should be pro in doing the rectification entries. While doing rectification chapter only, I have said be thorough with this particular unit, because that's very important. See, rectification entries, they'll combine anywhere and give it to you. I've already said it. So if I know there the entries very well, I can do it here very easily. Otherwise you will not be able to solve this problem, है ना? Not only here, they can include rectification in other chapters, other unit as well. So rectification very important. Don't skip that particular unit. Try to understand those problems. Okay, chalo. So 3500 hai. So 3500. This is the next rectification. How many rectifications are they giving us? Next, wages paid for in the month of April for installation of plant and machinery included in wages account. So do you remember, recall capital and revenue expenditure? Anything for installation of plant and machinery must be added with where? Must be added with the asset itself and should not be included in wages. It's like we are solving pura rectification ka problem, hai na? So it should go to which account? Plant and machinery account itself. So, okay, sorry. See here what we are given: prepare trading P&L account, balance sheet, and also show the rectification entries. Combination of two. So properly put the heading only here. Yes, write down journal in the books of measures Maple states rectification entries. Journal करके देखो, write the heading neatly. Yes, because anyways we are supposed to do the rectification entries. So why do a double time job? Put the heading here. So put the heading here, rectification entries. Journal, put the journal format. Put the journal format as well. Write down this first entry and write the narration. Yes, narration is very important. लिख लो एक बार जर्नल का फॉर्मेट डालो क्लियरली. Okay, I'll give you some time. Put the journal का format, do the journal rectification entries and write down this first entry, sales return account to purchases account. Write the narration. Narration क्या हो जाएगा? Narration is sales return amount included in the purchases. Sales return amount included in the purchases. Do you want me to do neatly? Neatly करना है? चलो ठीक है. I'll also do it neatly with you, for you. I realized later that we are asked to do this. I think this was the first one, no? Sales return to purchases. Sales return amount included in the purchases now rectified. Okay? Sales return amount included in the purchases now rectified. Write the narration very neatly. Next was purchase return amount included in the sales. Purchase return amount included in the sales now rectified. Purchases amount included in the sales. Purchase this return amount included in the sales now rectified. Come to the third one. Write it as drawings to purchases account 3500. Goods withdrawn for personal use. Goods withdrawn for personal use. Wrongly charged to purchases account. Wrongly charged to purchases account. Okay. Next entry, what we were doing is wages paid for installation of plant and machinery must be added with machinery account only, must not be charged to wages. Correct? So yes. So what is the amount of wages? 450. Write down. Being capitalization of installation charges. Being capitalization of installation charges wrongly charged to wages account. wrongly charged to wages account. Actually, I should number it like this. In the first entry, we have these two sub entries, correct? First may A and B, second one, third one, and this is fourth one. Okay. Next, fourth one, free samples distributed for publicity costing 825. But nothing is mentioned here. Matlab, this entry is not recorded, so we have to record this particular entry. Free samples given away as advertisements. What we have to do? Goods given away as samples, advertisement account to purchasers. Correct? Goods given away. So it is advertisement to purchasers. 825. Just need to write goods given away as free samples. So what is the narration? Goods given away as free samples. Okay. Next one. Okay, we did the rectification entries. Next I can see is create a PDD for 5%. This is not an rectification entry. It is a normal question, correct? And hence rectification entry में नहीं आएगा. Next, depreciation is to be provided at 15%, furniture पे 10%, bank overdraft is secured against hypothecation of stock. Bank overdraft outstanding has been considered as 80% of the real value of stock, deducting 20% of margin. And after adjusting the marginal value, 80% of the same has been allowed as overdraft. Okay, so this particular working note we will do it later. ठीक है, चलो. So मतलब these were provision का adjustment, depreciation का adjustment and bank coding. Okay, rectification entries so we are done with. Now let's come to our trading account. Put the heading trading account. I think only trading account for the year end. Trading and P&L, put both together. Done? चालू करें. Trading account always starts with what? To what? Opening stock. And now find out, are we given opening stock ka value? Yes, these are not rectification ka entries, na? These three are the adjustments which are needed to be made in the particular items given in the above trial balance. So these were only the adjustment entries. Number 4. So after doing the rectification entries, we are doing what? Trading account. So I can see trading accounts 30 to 250. No adjustment in the stock. Next is two purchases. If you can see, there are a lot of adjustments in the purchases because of this particular entries. Purchases, wherever it is on the debit side, we'll add, credit side mein hai to we will less. 1, 2, 3 adjustments. So let us do all the adjustments. So what I'm giving purchases ka value, where it is, yes, I can find it as 1,60,000, correct? But let us do one working note. Let us do one working note to find the value of purchases, or I can do it here also. But it will be very lengthy, hai na? So it's better, let us do working note. Working note number 1, value of purchases. So given value is 1,60,000. Wherever we had it on the debit side, we'll add. Wherever we have it on the credit side, we will deduct. But all the three have come on the credit side only. 2575, 3,500 and 825. Please remember the values. Okay. Less sales return 1575. No, 2575 something was there. Yes, 2575, correct? 2575 less advertisement, goods given away as free samples. Next, there was one more, drawings के लिए consumed goods, correct? One was 825, I suppose, advertisement. And drawings का value how much? 3,500. Quickly deduct and find out this value. I think you'll get it as 151,375. 2575 plus 825. 825 plus 3,500 minus 1,60,000. 153 100 we are getting, so I have written it wrong. So what is the value we are getting? Right, the one 153 100 है ना? So now go to the purchases. Right here 153 100. This is the correct value of purchases we have got. Less there was purchase returns. If I see in the question, returns of how much? देखो find out if there are returns. Trading account we have highlighted TTT. Just find if TTT. No, there is no return. But in the rectification you have returns. If you remember, in our rectification entry we do have returns, purchase returns. See here, purchase returns, है ना? Purchase returns must be on the credit side. It is on the credit side. Matlab it is 1725 ka. You have to deduct 1725. Deduct this. How much you are getting? 151,375. Correct. Next we have is carriage inwards. I saw in the question carriage inwards was there. Carriage inwards kitna hai? 1125. Correct. Next is 2. Let me see what again is there in the question. Let's quickly recall. See the question. Trading, wages 12,165. But do you remember in rectification also there was something with regards to wages, है ना? So let me write it in the inner column once, because yes, I remember something with the wages is there in the rectification entry. जो rectification में आया है सब कुछ will affect. So wages is an expense, have debit balance, but it is on the credit side. मतलब 450 rupees क्या करो? Less. It is for plant and machinery na. So 450 less karo. 450 only was there, correct? So this is the value. Are you getting? Okay. You can write less paid towards installation. Paid towards installation. Next, let us write by sales, but I think there are lots of adjustments even with regards to sales. Sales ka value given how much? Given is 2,15,300. So what items we have taken, let's highlight it so that we don't miss something. Purchases we have taken, opening stock we have taken, wages we have taken, Trading में this carriage inwards have we taken? Yes, we have taken. Now we have taken sales. Okay. चलो sales का value I think again there are some adjustments which are needed to be considered. ऊपर जाओ देखो ज्यादा नहीं है तो we'll do it here only. Only one thing is with respect to sales. Yes, this is 1725. So given value of sales is how much? 2,15,300. So I'll do it here only and write 2,15,300 minus 1725. So what is the value of sales we are getting here? 2,15,300 minus 1725. That's equal to 213,575. Less again there are sales returns. In the above adjustment also you can see, and let us find out in the question as well. Sales returns, there's nothing again with respect to sales return, not given in the question, not given, but there is a sales return in the adjustment, correct? So what is the value of the sales return in the adjustment here? See, I have adjusted purchases, now I have to adjust this. These two adjustments done, this is done, this is done, this is also done. So we have to consider the remaining sales return 2575. So चलो डिडक्ट 2575 का रिटर्न्स 575 डिडक्ट हो गया. I think 2,10,000, 11,000 we are getting, है ना? Next is by closing stock. Closing stock, how much given in the question? Closing stock, stock. Not given here. Find out. दिया होगा closing stock. Yes, closing stock not given, but some adjustment is given. What is given? Bank OD. Are we given? First find out bank OD, then we will think about the, yes, we are given bank OD as 80,000. Now what is being said here? Bank overdraft is secured against hypothecation of stock. Bank overdraft outstanding has been considered as 80% of the real value of the stock. Matlab, so what is given to us is 80% of the stock, correct? Matlab, I want for 100%. What they are telling? Bank overdraft is secured against hypothecation of stock. Outstanding has been considered as 80% of real value. मतलब जितना भी stock है उसका 80% is bank OD. So 100% के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have to divide by 80%. But there is one more thing, and this is deducting 20% as margin. ठीक है, okay. And after adjusting the marginal value, 80% of the same has been allowed to draw as an overdraft. Matlab, whatever that was the value, only of that particular value, only 80% was allowed to them to be overdrawn as bank overdraft. Matlab, try to understand here, whatever was the balance, you can't withdraw the full amount from the bank now. Bank does not allow to withdraw, make you the withdrawal of full amount. Matlab, whatever was the stock, uska 80% they gave you as overdraft, uska 80% you are allowed to withdraw. So what this is, again the 80%. ठीक है, मतलब suppose ये पहले calculate करो, I'll explain this. Calculate this hypothecation of stock. I think this is, you are getting it as 1,25,000. मतलब जो 1,25,000, I'm now explaining reverse. तो 1,25,000 का 80% were given to you as a loan. ठीक है, so 1,25,000 का 80% कितना है? 1,25,000 का 80%, so 1 lakh rupees. See here, according to the question, what has happened? Outstanding amount of bank overdraft has been considered as 80% of the real value of the stock. So it was 1 lakh. But how much you are allowed to withdraw? You are allowed to withdraw after adjusting the marginal value. That is, uska bhi 80% only you are allowed to withdraw. So that is coming down to 80,000. So this is your bank OD. I am going reverse. So how do I go to find out the 100%? This is how I will go it. So 100 by 80, 100 by 80. So this is how you will find out the value of stock. समझ में आया? Yes, clear है? So closing stock directly not given. These were the two things which you have learned new in this particular trading account. Correct? Closing stock का calculation and adjusting all the rectification entries. In the previous problem, there was rectification, but only two rectifications. Here you have 4-5 rectification entries, and how to adjust all this and take it down. Only trading account का adjustment है, बाकी rest is not very much. So I think you are getting it as 1,39,535. Check करो. 1,39,535 is the gross profit. Total is 3,36,000. Write down 3,36,000. Next P&L करना है by gross profit brought down 1,39,535. Now let me see once rectification में क्या क्या adjustments are pending. One is drawings का adjustment pending. One is plant and machinery, balance sheet में ही आएगा. One is advertisement, मतलब while doing P&L I have to remember. ठीक है? So these two तो balance sheet, this I have to remember while doing P&L account. ठीक है? Advertisement का expense I need to consider. Next, chalo write down P&L account quickly. Let's write one by one all the items which are given to us for the P&L. Okay. Two. First item what we have. First item I can see is what? PDD only. Correct? 3,200. But again we have an adjustment. So go to the working note to PDD. Working note number 1. So let me do the working note. Quickly draw the ledger PDD account. Okay. So what is given balance by balance brought down? 3,200 given, correct? So by balance brought down 3,200. Two bad debts also given in the question, I suppose. Bad debts is given as 1,100. Next we are given is what? By P&L to balance carried down. So how much PDD is required to be maintained according to the question? Create a provision of 5%. So debtors are 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 into 5%, create the provision. 1,20,000 into 5%, that's how much? 6,000, correct? So P&L में कितना? Ma'am, there is one bad debts recovered, na? So bad debts recovered, either you can write it here or you can directly write it in the P&L. So your wish. Okay? If I want to write, I can write here also bad debts recovered, because bad debts we are writing that side means bad debts recovered, I can write it this side. If not, we can directly write in the P&L account. Okay? P&L का अब figure कितना आ रहा है? Minus करो 7,100 minus 3,200, I think 3,900. So go and write it there quickly. बहुत सारे adjustments है. Let's do quickly. 3,900. Next question में देखो, PDD we have taken provision for discount on debtors 1,375. Again what we have to do, provision for discount का adjustment देखो at 2.5%. Same way we will do for provision for discount on debtors also. So provision for discount on debtors. What is the value of debtors? Debtors given is how much? 1,20,000 है ना? So less PDD. PDD का closing balance is how much? 6,000. Yes, you have to deduct the closing balance. Please remember. Now on this, you are asked to create provision for, right? It is doubtful debts. Okay, don't get confused. It is PDD means doubtful debts. Now provision for discount At what percent we are asked? 2.5. 2.5%. So calculate for 2.5%, how much it will come? It will come to 2850. देखो मल्टीप्लाई करो, 1,14,000 into 2850 आया. But we are, this much is the discount that should be maintained. But in the given question already कितना दिया हुआ है, already we have of how much provision, discount. हाँ, 1375 already given in the question है ना. So less existing provision is how much? Less existing, matlab there is a requirement that you should maintain a provision of 2850, but already we have a provision already कितना है? 1375 already है. matlab how much extra we need to create? We want a provision of 2850. Already there is an existing provision of 1375. How do I calculate this particular provision of 2850? Given value of debtors minus PDD, which we have calculated in the above working note, we'll get the value of debtors. On that we need to create a discount. So this much discount is required. So deduct the existing provision. So you'll get how much? 1475. So how do I write it here? Directly write it 1475. So to write provision for discount on debtors, write it neatly. So I'll write it 1475 working note number 2. ठीक है, नो स्पेस. सो ठीक है, यहाँ पे वापस लेट अस कंटिन्यू. Okay, 2 items we have written. Next, let us go to the next item. PDD taken, debtors, creditors, bad debts will not come. Now let's come to this side. Bad debts recovered, let us write it on the credit side by bad debts recovered. Either you can take it here. If you have taken in PDD account, you need not write it here. ठीक है? Okay. I think yes, salary is 22,550, but I see here salaries payable also. So what we will do? To salaries, add salaries payable. Payable, I remember it as 2250, 2450, double 2250, 2450. Write it correctly so that we don't make a mistake. 24,750, I suppose. See, amount I have taken it wrong. 22,550 I need to write. Yes. Next. Okay. Next, salaries हो गया. Salaries के बाद what I will write? Rent and prepaid rent. I can see 4,300 and to rent account 4,300 less prepaid rent 300. So it is 4,000. Next, carriage inwards already taken. Carriage outwards 1350. To carriage outwards. अरे यार, why am I taking so much wrong? 1350 amount. ठीक है. Next, sales taken. Advertisement expense given as 3350, correct? To advertisement expense 3350, but that advertisement was on the debit side. So add free samples. So what was the value? I think it was 450 something, है ना? Value of advertisement 825. Add it. So I think you'll get it as how much? 4175. Yes. Next, 2. Printing and stationery 1250. To printing and stationery 1250. Next, cash in and will not count. Office expense 10,160. To office expense 10,160. To interest paid. Any adjustment with regards to interest if you can remember or recall? So 10,160. Interest paid is 3,000, है ना? So 3,000. But if I see the adjustments below, I find depreciation. So depreciation to करना है. So depreciation, I think not major adjustments, but very small adjustments. So let's do it here only. What plant and machinery पे 15%. So plant and machinery at 15%. So what is the value of asset? देख लो. So find out the value of asset what we have. Plant and machinery 19,550 into 15%. So 19,550 into 0.15. 2933. Let me write it. I'm rounding off. 2933. There was an adjustment if you remember. Plant and machinery. Correct. Rectification mein hai na? Plant and machinery account. I said we have to do the adjustment. Correct? 450 ka adjustment you need to do. That's on debit side. Chalo. Do that adjustment first and then. So 19,550. Debit side mein aaya isliye I'll add it at 15%. So 20,000 at 15% is 3,000. Next, this is depreciation on plant and machinery. Next to depreciation on what we have, one more item, furniture. So furniture fittings 10,250. What rate we should provide for 10,250? At 10%. So let us write down 10,250 at 10%. So it is 1025. So total is coming down to 4025. Hopefully we have taken all the items. Now calculate, find out the profit. Total karo, write the total and then net profit. See, net profit will come down to this much. Okay? Total will be 139985. ठीक है? आप लोग आराम से find out कर लेना what is net profit. Now let's quickly drop the balance sheet and where we can end the problem. Balance sheet as on 31st March 22. Adjustments है, so be careful while doing it. ठीक है? Hopefully you are clear with 83,800 आना चाहिए. आराम से करके देखो. Redo the adjustments again and again. Okay? चलो. Next. Balance sheet में first item we know what is it? Capital. So what is the given amount of capital we have? Capital given in the question is 65,000. Correct? What is the net profit we are getting at? Net profit 83,800. Total 1,48,800. Do you remember some adjustment in the drawings in the rectification? Only this item is left now. But here we are given as 8,000. But if you recall, there is one drawings ka adjustment given away as own consumption 3,500 ka, correct? So Here we are given as how much drawings? Drawings is 8,000. So drawings is 8,000 plus there is one more drawings which has come on the debit side. So it is totally 11,500. Remember this to be done. Now we have taken all the adjustments of rectification of errors. Correct? Now we have considered all the adjustments. Total minus karo 1,37,300. Okay. Next if I see from the beginning, if I'm seeing, so next item which I see is plant and machinery. Okay, I'll take as and when I'm getting it. Plant and machinery, I know the adjusted value, I got it as 20,000 less depreciation, so 3,000, I was getting it as 17. Next is furniture and fittings, it is given to me as 10,000, 250 less depreciation 1025. So you'll get it as how much? Minus करो 9225 आना चाहिए. Yes. Next, bank OD. Yes, bank OD is a liability. Overdrafts are my liability. So let me write it on the liability side. It is 80,000. OD is 80. We were not given closing stock. To find out closing stock, we did all those adjustments. Correct? Next, capital we have taken, we have considered this. Next, we'll go to what item? We'll go to so we have nothing here. So one is closing stock. Let us write closing stock, sundry debtors, creditors. Creditors is 47,500. So sundry creditors 47,500. I'll write here debtors. Debtors have adjustment. So 1,20,000 given less provision for doubtful debts. Write it neatly. Pura full likhna. It is 1,14,000. Then less provision for discount on debtors. Write neatly. Full mein likho. So that's how much closing balance. That's 2,850. So after deducting, what value we get outside? 111,150. Okay, ठीक है. So पूरा लिखना. This is doubtful debts. This is discount. Okay. Next is closing stock. From trading account, I can see that the closing stock, what according to my calculation, I have got it as 1,25,000. Correct. Now I have cash in hand. Cash in hand, cash at bank, both are given. So cash in hand 1,450. Cash at bank 3,125. Done? Yes. I hopefully we have considered everything, but here there are some payable, prepaid that we have to consider, correct? So let us consider prepaid rent, what was given to us. So prepaid rent was given how much? 300. There was one salaries payable given, salary payable. So payable was how much? 2,450. Anything else if you have, find out. Let me check. Yes, we are done with everything. Now make the total. आपका टोटल आके आ जाएगा 267,250. ठीक है, ये आप लोग चेक करना. You will get this much total. So yes, I am expecting this problem may come in your examination. ठीक है. If you have any doubts in this particular problem, in both of the problems are very important. If you have any doubt, so you can contact me. So do it again and again. At least revise. एक बार करो, नहीं समझ में आया और एक बार करो. Even if then you don't understand, please don't hesitate. Contact me. Let us, whatever you have not understood, we can clarify. Okay. So what point tip I'll give for this particular problem is read the adjustments carefully. So if you miss one adjustment, you need to redraw the problem from the beginning. So if you are missing, do the calculation again, do every part again. So read the adjustments. Rectification में जो भी entries आया है, remember that you have to consider them while doing the particular entry or taking that particular account. Correct? So if you consider all the things, that comes only by practice. Okay? So let's keep this session till here and we'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.